Have you ever stayed silent because everyone else disagreed? Sometimes we choose not to speak, not because we don't care, but because we're afraid of standing alone. The spiral of silence theory explains why people often stay quiet when they believe others won't agree with them. We fear being judged, rejected, or left out. So instead of sharing what we really think, we stay silent, and that silence makes the majority opinion even stronger.
Okay, class. May I know what is your political views?
I think the government is doing a good job in this movie.
Yeah, I agree. It's really helping a lot of people. Same here. Everyone online says it's a great idea.
But not everyone agrees. Sometimes, even if we think differently, we keep quiet, afraid to be the only one who disagrees.
And I interviewed about it. Why do you think some people don't speak up about their opinions?
Maybe they are scared that others will judge them.
How about you?
They don't want to argue or start the fight.
Sometimes it's just safer to stay quiet.
Sabi nangyari sa Cebu, no? Ang taas ng baha.
Paano nga tapos sila ng tapon ng basura?
Kailangan din naman nila yun. Binalita may bagyo, hindi pa sila naganda. So, pre, ano masasabi mo doon?
They keep talking about how people should just be more careful when it floods. But honestly, it's not just that. If only the government used the flood control funds properly, maybe things wouldn't be this bad. They always promise to fix it. But every year, it's the same story. People suffer, while those in power just pretend to care. I wish I could say this out loud, but no one would probably listen anyway.
Ano yun, pare, di naman talaga taong bayan ng may kasalanan ng nangyayari na yun. Yung mga may kasalanan talaga yun, yung mga gobyerno. Kasi, kung hindi nila kinurap yung pera ng taong bayan nila, kumbaga, naayos ang baha sa Pilipinas. Kumbaga, naayos ang flood control.
Tama nga bro.
The spiral of silence reminds us that silence doesn't always mean agreement. Everyone's voice matters, and sometimes speaking up can inspire others to do the same.